Okay, what I need to do here is factor this trinomial. But I notice it's to the fourth, but it goes from the fourth to the second, so that technically means it's in quadratic form. So I'm going to set up my little parentheses to start the factoring process. And what times what equals x to the fourth? Well, that's going to give me x squared times x squared. And what times what equals 36? Well, I'm thinking 6 times 6, but 6 and 6 never adds up to equal 13. So it's probably going to be 9 and 4. Now, it's got to add up to equal negative 13 while also multiplying to equal positive 36. So these are both going to be negative. Now I notice I have two sets of difference of perfect squares. I can continue to factor. Notice it says factor completely. It doesn't say just factor a little bit. I have to keep going. So x squared minus 9 will factor to be x times x equals x squared. 3 times 3 equals 9. In order for the middle term to cancel out, this has to be positive, negative, or negative, positive. That order doesn't matter. I am factoring completely, so I can factor this. Another difference of two perfect squares. So that's going to give me x times x equals x squared. 2 times 2 equals 4, plus and minus. That is the completely factored form of this original. Now I want to factor this, which is a third degree polynomial, third degree trinomial. But I notice there's an x in each term. So that means I want to seek out something called the GCF, the greatest common factor. And I notice that I can pull an x out of every term. But then I'm a little bit more observant, and I notice that a 6 goes into each of these terms. So my GCF is 6x. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw that 6x out front, because that's one of the factors. Now 6x cubed divided by 6x, the 6's cancel out. I subtract exponents, that gives me, x squared. So that's going to be a possible trinomial to the second power that I could factor. 54 divided by 6, I believe, is 9x plus, and 120 divided by 6. I'm going to be real careful. I believe it's 20, but I want to be totally sure. And there it is. 120 divided by 6 is 20. So now I want to see if I can factor this because, again, it says factor completely. So that's what I want to do. I'm going to continue. I can factor this, I believe. I know that x times x equals x squared. 10 times 2 equals 20. No. 4 times 5. 4 times 5 equals 20. And it has to add up to equal positive 9. So these both have to be positive. And my 6x goes out in front. And there's my completely factored form.